Back with Diggy Lifts. As you can see from the beginning, it was raining pretty hard this morning, and my whole left hand side was wet. My hair, my whole shoes were soaking wet. Luckily I switched into my weightlifting shoes, so it's all good. And here, starting off with cleans, had 5 sets of doubles at 235 pounds. Pretty easy. Next thing we got is Snatch balance at 155 for 4 sets of 3 reps. Then we got some push press at 185 pounds for that overhead strength for 3x3. Last thing we got is muscle snatch at 105 pounds for 4 sets of 2 reps. Also did some core work that I didn't record, planks and some leg raisers.